As every HubSpot admin, you might be really scared when something goes wrong in your HubSpot portal. Let's say a user decides to change massively a lot of different properties for some records, or someone in your team imports some contacts with a bad property value that messed up entirely your database, or simply a workflow that didn't act like expected and rewrite a specific property without you wanting it. Before, it was really scary to let that happen. Now, HubSpot released a new features that no one seems to talk about and that literally can change our life for this specific case. And that's the feature I want to talk about, is that you can now restore workflow CRM property changes. This knowledge base article was updated in May 22nd of 2026, but it seems that it's not complete and has some mistakes that we will go through together. First of all, it says that is only available for the enterprise subscription. I tried it on a HubSpot Pro plan portal and it seems to work. And when they say that it restore workflow CRM property changes, it's true, but it's also restore every kind of property changes if they happen manually through a user modifying a property or through an import. And I will show you exactly how to do so. When you are in your HubSpot portal, you have two ways to make it happen. Either you identify a specific workflow that didn't act like expected. So for instance, you have this classic workflow that if the lifecycle stage of a contact is opportunity, you assign it to someone. So now let's say that for some reason, a lot of different contacts entered in this workflow without you wanting it and mess up with the contact owner property. It happened this morning and now you want to fix it. So instead of manually modifying all those contacts one by one, you can simply go to View, Performance. You will click on Action Logs and you will see this Restore CRM Changes. You click and automatically, because we set it from the workflow page, it will choose the source workflow and the workflow name, which is this one. You just need to select the concerned object. So in our case, it's a contact because we modified it the lifecycle stage of a contact. And because it happened this morning, we might want to put it before this happened. So today we are the 10th of June and let's say it happened at 9 a.m. We want to roll back at 8:30. Depending on the case, you can also add a end date to make a window of enrollment. And once you're happy, you can click on Prepare Preview. It might take some time, so they will notify you when it's ready and you will have something in the notification tab here. You see that it happened here. You preview for restoring CRM changing is ready. You just need to click here. And here you will have all the different contacts that have been affected by this workflow since 8:30 a.m. So you can see they are here. You can check them one by one and you can decide for all of them to restore all 11 changes. And everything that this workflow did to the contact properties will go back as before they got enrolled in this workflow. You just need to wait a bit of time, like maybe a few minutes depending on the size of the action, but after a few times you will see restored and your data is now back to normal. And now that we are in this page, if we click on Settings, Data Management, Backup and Restore, we can see that we can either restore deleted contact by a specific user. It was the same way. So if someone in your team decided to delete 100 contacts and you didn't want it, you can just say that Grégoire deleted. It was contacts and it happened today at 9 a.m. So you choose 8:30. And when you click on Prepare Preview, it will automatically restore all the deleted records. So we saw that it works for workflow and for deleted records, but basically, either you click here or when you go back to your contact list, you will find here Restore CRM Changes. And here you have the full menu, let's say. We saw the workflow part, but you can also do the same for import. So I don't have import here, but you select the import, you select the objects, and you select the property you want to restore. Or you can even select CRM changes. Let's say Grégoire modifies the first name of thousands of contacts. You choose contact, first name, changed by Grégoire, and it happened today at 9 a.m. and you can click on Prepare Preview and it works the same way. So that was a short explanation on a really capital new feature that HubSpot released. I really think you need to know that it exists so you don't get stressed every time something bad might happen. If you think this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to put a thumbs up on this video. It really helped me to grow as a channel. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any new HubSpot related videos I publish every week, you can also subscribe to this channel. It was Greg. I wish you a great week and see you next Monday.